A mother cat and her kin build a shelter due to the storm.
Hey, little one, wake up! Look at the sun! It's morning!
Mommy, I'm gonna wash my face. Where should I do it?
Go and wash with ocean water.
No, Mommy, I can't. I'm scared.
Oh, it's noting, sweetie, alright? See?
Mommy, I'm starving.
Let me show you that place where I get fruits for you. I think we should go home now.
Mommy, am I dreaming? I clearly see last night. Our boat was completely destroyed. So how... Mommy, how will we go back?
I have a plan.
Alright, Mommy. Tell me now, what plan were you talking about last night? I mean, where did this boat come from?
Alright, take it easy. So listen. So last night. So now we can go. Right, let's go. Are you excited to go home after a long time?
Mommy, our home is completely wrecked. Where are we going to live?
Hey, don't worry, I will figure this out. Alright, let's stop crying and try to fix our home. Let's go.
Let's start building our home.
Yes! I'll help with the log.
Yay, this is so fun.
Bye-bye!
Thanks for watching.